Hey everyone, Tim here from TMR Customs, and I've got another update for you guys on our 4400 King of the Hammers car. So the latest thing we tackled was the shifter for our Magnum Box. So that Magnum Box is from Off-Road Designs, and I'll show you how we install the cable shifter in there to basically to shift that thing. That's gonna be a high-low range, whereas before we just had the one-speed SCS Transfer Case, which I've talked about in the past. So we used a cable shifter kit from Advanced Adapters, and so it's kind of this shift lever, that box assembly cable, and some stuff down here. Basically, we had to fabricate a custom bracket, but that was a kit that's designed for their 4-speed Atlas. So universal kit, we thought it kind of came with all the bits we needed to get started. So how that works basically is we fabricated this bracket here. Now that's attached to the adapter between our Turbo 400 and the Magnum Box. And that holds like a barrel or a threaded sleeve from Advance, cable in there. And this guy is kind of a modified version of the bracket that comes with the Magnum Box. So the Magnum Box one's single shear. We added a second plate out here to make it double shear. The Heim's connected between the two. We even put a little captured nut plate on the backside here that holds a nylock. So that's just one tool to fasten that through the Heim. So easy to take this apart in the future. So then the cable threads into that barrel, winds its way up here. It's gonna pop up through the floorboard here. We'll just put like an access barometer panel. Then it feeds into another threaded barrel there. And if I pop around here, that's probably a better view of it. So it's in the driver's side, so your transmission shifter is between the driver and passenger side seats. Steven came up with this idea actually, and I think it works awesome. So we've mounted this over on the driver's side. So when you're shifting one of these cases, oftentimes people know you kind of got to bump it between gear and neutral to try and basically take any slack or bind out of the drivetrain, and then that'll allow you to shift your range. So that's it there. If I pop in here, I can show you how it functions. So back it up, and that's gonna be low range down there, high range up there. Super simple. So yeah, bulk of our time in the desert and between the trails and the wash and stuff will be spent in high range there. When we get into a rock trail, smash down to low range, and that's gonna give us our 2.72 reduction. And then that number's obviously gonna be multiplied by whatever ratio we decide to put in the SCS, and that'll give us our final drive. So if you wanna see how it works down on this end as well, there's that shifter. So yeah, that's the low position down there. Or sorry, that's high there, low there. So that's it. That cable just drives back and forth, switches the position between the cases. And if I could grab with two hands, you could tell, like by simulating spinning this yoke. In high range, it's much easier to spin than it is in low range. So that's kind of an easy way to test that the throw of that shifter and everything's working properly. So yeah, we're stoked about that. Started with the working on the vent system here. So Steven's made some mods to get an AN fitting onto that vent line. We're gonna hopefully step it up pretty quickly to -12. We want like a 3/4 ID. We want something large that's gonna feed up and hopefully not have any like droop or belly to it, because if it's got that, it's kind of creating a P-trap situation where oil will get pumped into that, but it's not venting. So yeah, working on that, and then we're waiting on our drive shaft that's obviously gonna connect to here, to that carrier bearing. That'll come from JE Reel. Then we can kind of finish the fitting of that carrier bearing when that's all done. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at for this week. So if you guys have any questions about what you saw in this video, or you want to know more about the car, just hit us up, tell us what you're into, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.